Hello, and welcome to the Research Fundamentals at UB video series, presented by the Office of Research Advancement and Sponsored Project Services. These recorded sessions and the corresponding slide deck will be available on the ORA website and are intended to give UB faculty a basic understanding of the university's process of applying for external funding. We will start with an overview of the process that UB faculty use to prepare and submit research proposals and the offices that they will work alongside throughout the process. In following videos, we will discuss the resources and services that are available to help PIs craft strong proposals and hone their proposal development skills. We will also discuss ways to find funding that fits your research interests, and then touch briefly on the systems that researchers should familiarize themselves with. We'll start with the structure and processes of research support systems at UB. There are three main offices that work with PIs on proposal development and compliance: Sponsored Project Services, or SPS, the Office of Research Advancement, or ORA, and the Office of Research Compliance. Sponsored Project Services is responsible for working with PIs to prepare and submit proposals that are compliant and complete, and they are the stewards of awarded proposals. SPS administrators are the authorized authority with the power to submit research proposals on behalf of UB. It is a requirement that all research proposals have their budgets created by and proposals submitted by SPS. Working with SPS is not optional. Each department has an assigned SPS administrator that will assist with your research proposal and awards. The SPS proposal specialist will work with the PI to develop the proposal's budget, will help with the use of the sponsor's application portal, and will ensure that proposals are all compliant with the university's and the sponsor's guidelines. The Office of Research Advancement offers proposal management and editing services, as well as workshops and programs to encourage proposal skill development and opportunity awareness. Working with ORA is optional, but strongly encouraged. ORA's goal is to help faculty to create highly competitive proposals and to support the research initiatives of the university. ORA works in conjunction with SPS to ensure compliance, but can also assist with the overall proposal management, such as development of supplemental documents and scientific editing. The Office of Research Compliance oversees policies and procedures, such as the responsible conduct of research and conflicts of interest, as well as specific regulated areas that may be involved in research, such as human subjects, animals, and export controls. PIs whose research involves these subjects will work with this office. Here we have an illustration of the university's approved submission process when a PI works only with SPS on their proposal. The PI has an idea for innovative research proposal and has found a funding opportunity that is a good fit. They would then contact their designated SPS proposal specialist, whom they would work with to develop the project's budget and to set up the application package in the sponsor's submission portal. The PI would complete all elements of the proposal and, when ready, advise SPS so that they may review the entire application package to ensure that it is complete and compliant. If there are no issues, with the PI's permission, SPS will submit the proposal to the sponsor. If a PI were to work with the ORA for proposal management, editing, or both, they would contact ORA after contacting their SPS proposal specialist. They would then work with their assigned proposal manager and editor to refine each component of the proposal. If needed, the proposal manager can assist with uploading documents in the submission portal. Once all documents have been uploaded, the proposal will go back to the SPS proposal specialist for review, and then to the SPS administrator for a second review and eventually submission. Please join us in the next video for Part 2, a deeper look at the roles and responsibilities of Sponsored Project Services.